Hello friends, in this video we will clone a repository from GitHub in your local system. It's very simple, but there are some important requirements before performing any action regarding the clone of any project. First of all, in your system must have installed Git. If you're using macOS, then you can use these commands to install, and according to in Windows, according to your system, you can use this. After installing the Git, you also have to configure the configurations, and for the configurations you can set using these commands. I will attach this link in the video description. After that, you must have a GitHub repository in your GitHub account, or you have an access of any GitHub repository. So let's start. I already installed Git. We can check with this command git -v, and my GitHub version is 2.45.2. And if I check the configurations, for example username, then it's also give result Simranjit Singh. Now we fulfill the first requirement, and second also I have a sample project salt and peppers in my repository. Just we have three ways, we can clone this by three methods, and now we will use https. Just copy this url, go to your terminal. First select the folder. I use this folder for clone, and I use the command git clone url. Just enter, and now project is clone. Let's check change directory salt and peppers, yes. And if now let's open in Visual Studio Code space dot. Yeah, everything is perfect. My project is cloned. Yeah, everything is perfect. Thank you so much.